How do I remove the silicone ring for cleaning? You can use a toothpick to gently pry the silicone ring out of the lid. The silicone ring is specifically designed to prevent leaks, and it's made to be easily removable for cleaning purposes. To reinsert it, gently press the silicone ring back into the lid using a chopstick. Avoid exposing the silicone ring to temperatures above 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit, as repeated exposure to extremely hot water may cause it to degrade over time. Question 3. Why is it necessary to dry the bottle upside down and allow it time to air dry before its next use? Drying the bottle upside down allows any remaining moisture to drain out, preventing mold, preventing water from pooling, and potentially causing unpleasant odors or bacterial growth. Allowing the bottle time to air dry completely before the next use ensures that it is thoroughly dry and ready for use. Question 4. Should I be concerned about mold on bamboo products? Each bottle is coated with a thin layer of degrade mineral oil for protection, effectively preventing mold issues. I've been using my bottle for over a year and have never encountered any mold.